everyone, we're going to cook maruya or like caramelized banana or sugar-coated banana. But in short, it's maruya in Bisaya. Since we are here in the Philippines, it's common na around 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, people will look for snacks, yun na siya. So, karon nabalik ni sa grocery og bananas. And then, ano siya banana? Sige ni, alimot ko, saba. Oo. So, karon guys, I'm just heating the pan. Ingredients, banana. So, banana costs 1968 pesos. Oh, there's a meaning. And then, oil. And then, brown sugar. Simple. Easy. So, we're gonna put the oil na. So, ano ito eh?
Remove the cup.
Of course, remove the cup din na. And then, just put some oil. This is enough, right?
No.
More?
Oh, okay.
Oh my
Mo
gosh,
di
cholesterol is
Remove.
rich.
Remove the cup. Anak, madali.
I think that's enough.
No, dili.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
So, oil, more na siya guys. There's plenty of oil. So, actually, we need oil so that the sugar will melt and caramelize. So, next, nainit na siya. So, since mainit na yung oil natin, we have to put the brown sugar. Sprinkle or spread it all over. Ang tigil niya. Oh my gosh, diba? Oo naman siya. Okay, init. I think that's enough.
Okay. Just wait in here.
There you go guys. As you can see, medyo nag-melt na the sugar is melting and starting to caramelize. Caramelize?
Hindi na tayo.
Uy, dili pa na. Oh, it's not yet
Brown.
done. There you go guys. As you can see, it turned into super brown. Oh my god. We need to we need to turn off. So, ano siya nasunog
Di
na.
na.
I-off sa ba nasunog na.
Wala.
Okay, you have to put now the
Hindi kayo mapasok ka. Sa undak mo.
sa may lagan. Oh yeah. So, sa mga Pinoy din, alam na nila kung ano yung ginagawa ko. I don't wanna explain it na. So, didikit lang yung sugar sa banana. Kailangan mo siyang haluin. Haluin para dumikit sa banana yung asukal. Dumikit naman siya. Oh. So, ayan guys. Dumikit na yung sugar sa banana. So, usually, they pair it with coffee. Usual lang dito coffee or soft drinks. Pero since ang init ngayon, I'm gonna drink ice cold coffee or juice. Ayan na guys, luto na yung ating banana Q. Ayan. Wala kaming sesame seeds na. Kaya hindi namin nilagyan. Yun lang. So, kung bibiling mo siya sa mga tindahan, benta nila is 20, I think, per stick. Meron dalawang saging per stick. So, around 10 pesos each. Unlike na ikaw yung bibili ng saging sa grocery, 19 lang. Tapos yung oil and sugar, which may cost a lot. So, makatipid ka, diba? And guys, happy eating. Thanks for watching.